Welcome. In front of me I have the Hero 13 Black GoPro, and I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the product itself. So anyway, it came in this kind of like an envelope, so I did already rip off part of it at the back right here. There we go. Slide it out. Trying to slide it out without actually ripping everything. Come on. You know what? It doesn't seem like it's possible. Yoink. Okay, there we go. At least I tried. Oh, it looks like I get to try some more. There we go. Throw that to the ground. Okay. Some instructions right here. I'm pretty sure we all know how to use that. And in here we got a full package of accessories. Jeez. So we have our case along with a microphone. Come on. There we go. We got the camera itself. There we go, all off. Not much in terms of design has changed. And next, let's actually start off with this. We have flash. It's pretty neat. And obviously all of this would attach to your little case right here. This appears to be the battery. Yep. Gonna plop it in straight away. Oh. Come on. There we go. Okay. There we go. Next, we have our tripod, along with what I presume could be considered as a gimbal, probably. We have a cable to connect it. Buttons for recording, power on off, and a battery indicator. Some more mounting points. There we go. So this is actually not a gimbal. It's just a battery pack by the looks of it, along with something for you to hold and mount your camera to. And next we just have mounting accessories along with a cute little microphone pop filter, which I presume just kind of goes here, like this. Oh, yep, there we go. Neat. Now let's just take, yeah, come on. Oh, you little, listen here. You little, you know, I'm scared I'm gonna literally break this off. How do you take that off? Come on. Oh, come on, come on. There, oh, there we go. Yay. Okay, so yeah, that attaches pretty well on there. You most certainly won't be losing that one. Next we have attachments for mounting it to different surfaces. So if you, for instance, have something like a helmet, plop that on there and this just slides in. Okay, let's put that back in here. We have another one right here. And we get a Type-C to Type-C cable. Another attachment. This one attaches to... No. right here, like so. And it seems like it has been improved over the previous generation. This seems much more solid compared to the previous ones. So yeah, it's made out of what appears to be aluminum, so it's also pretty chunky. And then we got the thread for these mountings, and I'm not sure what that is. Come on, there we go. This looks like a... Oh, I think I know what it is. If I'm correct, this is for basically not using a battery, but having like a wired connection, as we do have Type-C charging port right here. Now this would obviously remove some waterproofing from this camera, though keep in mind, remember there was some kind of problems with waterproofing on these cameras, so you probably might not want to really like utilize this for this kind of thing anyway. And if you're planning to, I highly recommend just checking out what people are saying about it. But yeah, there we go. So it's a pretty feature-rich package, I would say, right here, with possibly everything that you would need, maybe outside of a gimbal, but the camera itself has a pretty decent kind of like digital gimbal, almost like so it doesn't really shake all that much, no matter what you're doing. So gimbal might kind of be useless for that purpose anyway. But anyway, that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.